To download the Chase Bank mobile banking app, start by accessing the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, this is the App Store, while for Android users, it is Google Play. Open the App Store and use the search function to find the Chase mobile app. Type in Chase Mobile and select the Chase mobile app from the search results. Once you have located the app, click the Get or Install button to begin the download process. You may be prompted to enter your password or use fingerprint or facial recognition to authenticate. The download. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. This should only take a few seconds. After the app has been installed, click the Open button to launch the Chase mobile app. You will be prompted to sign in or enroll in Chase Online. If you are an existing Chase customer, enter your username and password to sign in. If you are not a Chase Online customer, select the Enroll in Chase Online option and follow the prompts to create a username and password. Once you are signed in, you can begin using the Chase mobile app to manage your accounts, pay bills, transfer funds, and deposit checks. The app is easy to navigate and provides a secure way to access your accounts on the go. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of the app and understand the security features in place. To protect your accounts. To ensure the security of your accounts, always use a secure internet connection when accessing the app and never share your username and password with anyone. Regularly update the app to ensure you have the latest security features and functionality. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and easily download and use the Chase Bank mobile banking app to manage your finances on the go.